Forestry is the ultimate proving ground, where brute strength meets precision engineering. In today's episode, we're showcasing the most powerful machines designed to conquer the wild and move timber like nothing else. This is Mega Hub. Let's fire it up. Using logs to build a bridge for a logging truck may look primitive, but it's a tried and true method in remote forestry. It's low cost, field adaptable, and still gets the job done. It may be a tough truck, but that mud looks like straight up peanut butter. What it really needs is more aggressive tread. Or maybe they just pushed the weight a little too far. It's not going anywhere without some serious backup. Another day, another bog. That AS 950 might be built like a tank, but even it meets its match in this kind of muck. I've seen a lot of skidders, but the 620D pulls like the locks, tight chains, raw power in a hydraulic system that never quits. This beast was built for the toughest jobs if you're serious about logging. This is the machine you want behind you. The way the universal 445 DT handles that load pure muscle, it's like watching a workhorse in action, steady, reliable, and ready for the grind classic. Heat up here Volvo FMX 6x6 with 500 horsepower isn't just hauling logs, it's commanding. The Timber Pro 725 paired with a Raleigh 2 head is a serious harvesting combo. That single grip head slices through mature aspen and oak like butter, thanks to the high torque feed rollers and 360-degree rotation. This is where logging gets real. No asphalt, no safety rails, just raw machine muscle grinding through nature's worst. The driver isn't just steering, he's navigating chaos with precision. Forestry work isn't for the faint of heart, and rugged terrain makes it even tougher when you're hauling heavy logs down steep, slippery slopes. It's a battle against gravity, mud, and unpredictable terrain. One wrong move and you're in a world of trouble. The eQuest 6W DC forestry tractor, with its 250 GP engine, hauling massive logs over 90-foot stretches with ease. Steep slopes, rough ground, nothing stands in its way. Built for brute strength and precision, this machine makes timber hauling look effortless. Now that's proper winter logging logistics. Those tire chains make a world of difference when you're moving timber loads on icy grades. This is what real teamwork looks like. The Gas 66 and Prag 53S help each other like two old buddies stuck in a bar fight against Mother Nature, mud hills, deep ruts. No problem, one pulls, the other pushes, and somehow they always make it through. Impressive how many thousands of board feet are corralled and navigated by a single tug. It's a testament to engineering and sheer know-how, managing such a spread across the river's expanse, sometimes for hundreds of nautical miles. Take a good look at this beast. BMC Pro 827 isn't just hauling timber, it's battling chaos, mud slopes, and insane weight. No problem with rock-a-lid suspension and raw torque. This truck climbs like a mountain goat with a mission. Now this is logging in its rawest form. Watching Jenny work the forest with nothing but muscle, instinct, and trust. It's something truly special. No diesel engines, no hydraulics. Just one draft horse and centuries of tradition, pulling timber the old school way. Now this is a machine with character, the BM Victor. 1959 forwarder rebuilt by Anders Åke Anderson is a testament to creativity and resilience. This isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a living story pieced together from recycled materials and brought back to life. What's truly inspiring is how it combines old school durability with a custom touch perfectly suited for forestry world. '90s bulldogs are still putting in the work. Now that's old school muscle at its finest. These machines were built in an era when durability meant steel grease and a whole lot of raw power, no fancy electronics, just pure mechanical strength. Yarder logging is like a giant claw machine for the forest, except instead of stuffed animals, it grabs massive logs with pinpoint. Precision, less mess, less stress, and way more efficiency. What happens when enthusiasm meets poor planning? No notch angle, no escape path, no control. The tree falls right into trouble, turning a job site into a costly lesson in gravity. A full night behind the wheel of the Scania, EAR 580, is a masterclass in control. This beast hauls tons of timber like it's nothing. The V8 engine hums with confidence, headlights cutting through darkness as it glides past curves and climbs with ease. Heavy load Bring It On this truck was born for it. Built for the wild, this Unimog drags timber like it's towing twigs. Compact, powerful, and insanely versatile, it weaves through dense forest with torque to spare no trail, no problem. That's the Volvo FH 16650, flexing its muscle powered by the D16 engine. It cranks out 650 horsepower and over 2,200 pound-feet of torque, enough to haul mountains of logs like twigs. The fast, fluid motion of the hydraulic crane, all thanks to raw, relentless diesel power. Every inch of that narrow trail tests the limits. Hauling a full load through the Chilean mountains isn't just driving, it's precision control. One missed gear shift, and you're burning fuel or losing your grip. This is pro-level hauling, where every gallon saved and every corner mastered makes the difference between a good run and a dangerous one. No roads, no problem. The K-Max lifts timber like an eagle with steel claws, that twin-rotor setup. It's why this beast dances in tight alpine zones with perfect balance. One pilot, one hook, and tons of wood flying out like magic pure aerial muscle. Sometimes the equipment's too small, but the operator's skills make up the gap. That's finesse right there, balancing a center-loaded log on soft terrain. That grapple doesn't just lift logs, it lifts responsibility. Each grab has to be precise. Clean and strong, these trunks weigh tons, and that boom's moving them like matchsticks. No second tries in this game, just raw, steel-smooth hydraulics and pure control. If you've ever worked in the mountains, you know the challenges of loading timber in uneven terrain. This system, though, makes it look effortless. The hydraulic crane provides unparalleled power and flexibility, while the hooks are built to handle the load without damaging the wood. The Ural claws through snow like it's chewing gravel. Every tire spin is a fight, every turn a gamble. No margin for error, just steel, ice, and willpower. This isn't a drive, it's a survival test. Would you dare take the wheel? This Hitachi appears to be customized for steep slope work. Excellent integration of traction assist and hydraulic flow stability. Bravo to the engineering team. At just 3,450 millimeters long and 2.9 millimeters wide, the Volvo BM400 might seem modest, but it packs a punch. It's like a forest. Navigator moving seamlessly through tight spaces and tough trails. Combine that with its fuel-efficient diesel engine, and you've got a machine that's not just economical, but also unstoppable in the woods. This tracked carrier might look small, but it's a workhorse in snowy terrain. The Jernhesten delivers high torque and traction even under full load, making it ideal for selective logging in remote forests. Impressive balance of maneuverability and load stability. The Suzuki ATV 250 may be compact, but it punches above its weight. With a 4-stroke, air-cooled engine and solid suspension, it handles small log hauls like a champ, especially in tight, uneven terrain. That wraps it up for today. What moment stood out to you the most? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you're always in the loop. Catch you in the next one.